We have already signed off on a project for about $100 million that will do some cold storage capacity in the Kirkvine area that is being funded through JCF in collaboration with ourselves and RADA, and we expect that contract to start in short order. If it doesn't start this month, in January, that will start. We are also got an approval for Coleyville to go towards contract. The board of JCF would have approved some funds for that. I won't give you the exact figure, I don't have it at hand. But excitingly, we are looking to engage a public-private model around partnership. And we would have sat with an entity that is looking to establish 30 cold storage facilities, small modular cold storage facilities over the next few years, starting with 4 in 2025. We are also going to be doing 2 cold storage facilities, renewable energy powered, through a Caribbean funded project through the CARICOM, and we do expect that those will be ready for the first quarter of 2025. So when we say 2025, we're going to focus a lot on cold storage. You will see it in real terms that we'll be building out a brand new cold storage network, some to be managed by the AIC, others to be managed by well-run farmers groups, entities like JAS, and others to be public-private partnership to be managed on a for-profit basis.